In this video, I will show you how to make Ubuntu 26.04 LTS look like macOS. This is an updated guide to transforming the GNOME desktop environment. Now for this tutorial, I will be using Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, which comes with GNOME 50. Now without further delay, let's get started. And as you can see, this is a fresh installation of Ubuntu running on my laptop. Now first open terminal and update your system by running this command. It's recommended to install a few essential dependencies using apt. Just go ahead and run this command to install git and other required packages. Then install Timeshift, a backup tool that allows you to create snapshots of your system. This backup will be used to get the system back to working state if anything goes wrong after installing this theme. Ensure you backup the entire root system and home directories. Then tap Create to take a snapshot of the system current state. Now let's go ahead and modify some system settings. Open the Settings application, navigate to the Multitasking section, and enable the hot corners and window resize options. Next, go to Ubuntu Desktop, disable this option, and move the Ubuntu dock to the bottom. Then disable the panel mode and tiling feature. Next, head over to this website and download the ULauncher package. Once downloaded, open Terminal and navigate to the folder where the file is located and run this command to install it. After installation, open ULauncher and go to Preferences and change these options. Then go to Settings and create a custom shortcut to open ULauncher. Now simply navigate to Keyboard, View and Customize Shortcuts, then add a brand new shortcut. Go ahead and give a name, then type this command to launch ULauncher and assign a key combination. In my case, I'm setting super plus spacebar. And that's it. Now, whenever I press super plus spacebar, ULauncher will open instantly. This allows you to search for any application. Now go ahead and open Terminal and type this command to clone the icon pack. Once it's complete, navigate to the directory and install the icon pack by running this command. Then open Extensions Manager and install these extensions. Once it's done, open Ubuntu dock settings and change these options. It's time to install WhiteSur theme. Navigate to this website to learn more about the setup. Now copy this URL and paste it inside terminal to clone this repository. After cloning, navigate into the directory and execute the installer script. If you want to understand the usage of this script, just go ahead and run this command for more details. For now, I will execute the installer with simple arguments. The -n option set the theme name. The -d option with the argument all installs all accent colors. The -l option adds support for libadwaita based applications. The --shell option customizes the GNOME shell. For example, the -i simple sets the GNOME activities icon. The -h option with bigger increases the panel height. And lastly, use --round to make maximized windows rounded. After entering all the arguments, press enter to execute the installer. Once the installation is complete, it's time to run the tweak script as root to theme the GNOME Display Manager. I will use these arguments: the -g to theme GDM, the -nd to prevent darkening the background image, and the -b to set a custom background. Next, we will theme Flatpak applications and Firefox. Now simply type this command and make sure Firefox is not running in the background. And lastly, run this command to override the GTK theme for Flatpak applications. And that's it, you have successfully installed the themes and accent colors. Now let's go ahead and open Tweaks application. Under Appearance, change the icons to WhiteSur. Then go ahead and choose your shell theme. I will stick with the default Mac Dark version. Next, go to Legacy Applications and choose the theme that matches your shell so everything remains cohesive. Then open Windows section from the sidebar, change the title button position to left, and enable the option to center New Windows. Now at this point, your GNOME desktop should look very close to macOS. Now keep in mind, you can always revisit the Tweaks application later to further customize your desktop. Now let's make the desktop look much better with blur. This step is optional because it may slow down your system and uses more RAM. So just a quick reminder. If you have a powerful computer, you can enable this feature. Otherwise, it's perfectly fine to stick with the default setup. To add blur to applications, open Extension Manager, select Blur My Shell and open its settings, then enable these options. And voila! As you can see, most of your applications have a blur effect, which looks fantastic. If you notice any performance issues, you can always disable Blur My Shell from the settings. If in case you don't like this theme and want to remove it, just go ahead and follow these steps. Go ahead and open terminal and run the installer script with the appropriate options to delete all the installed themes. Then go ahead and run the tweak script with the -r option to remove GDM, Firefox and Flatpak theme support. And lastly, use the tweaks application to switch to the Yaru theme. Then disable all the installed extensions and reboot your system. I highly recommend using Timeshift Backup to restore your Ubuntu desktop. And that's pretty much it. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.